Hey, today I will show you how to install iOS Telegram on Android. Let's start. Tap on link in description box. Scroll down. Tap on Generate Download Link. Tap on Link Generated. Scroll down. Tap on Download Now. App will start downloading. Tap on Downloaded App. Then tap on Install. Open app. Tap on Start Messaging. Login app. It's safe. Tap on Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Font Styles. Tap on Font iOS. iOS font applied successfully. Tap on Main screen. Turn on bottom bar iOS. Tap on General tab. Change app icon. App will restart automatically. All done. Enjoy iOS Telegram. Thank you for watching video.